Hello, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well and no one's got any COVID-19 or anything like that going on. Everybody's healthy and it's going to stay that way. I want to go through this week of lessons. And so this week we're basically focusing on translation and gene expression. So we ended up with transcription last week, talked a little bit about translation, and now we're going to go into the full thing on translation. So first thing you need to do is on day one, uh, watch the video notes on translation. I will have the PowerPoint copy on Google Classroom that I'm going through. I also have some translation sketch notes I will add to that as well. That's not a substitute for going over it, so make sure you're looking at it, writing down notes. Uh, these note quizzes are basically they are open notes, so having those notes and taking down a few things should get you a good score. There's no reason why you should have bad scores on that. Day two, we're going to do a translation activity. So in this case, you'll need to open your email on Tuesday. I'll send you an email on Messenger RNA, and it'll just have a Messenger RNA code. That's all it'll be in the body of the message. Just copy that, open the decoding RNA to protein, blast search there, and then you'll paste the messenger RNA code there. There's full video instructions here of what to do there. Check it out and you know what to do. If you do not know how to read a codon chart, I've left a video here for that. When you're done with that, you're going to hit submit and turn that in. So that's all on Google. Yeah, decoding RNA to protein, and you're going to do a blast search. Day three, video notes on protein folding. So once the protein's made, we got to fold it correctly. So it talks about that. A few RNA sketch notes. It's the same PowerPoint as before. So just watch that and you'll have that available. Also, take the, telling me my food's ready. Take the protein folding quiz. So use your notes for that. Day four, we're going to have some notes on gene expression. It's really short and a little gene expression quiz on that. Again, open note. And then day five, a little different. We're going to watch a little video on stickleback fishes. So watch the video, and then there's a little worksheet to do on that. Try your best with that. It's something new that I'm doing here, so we'll see how that goes. When you're done with that, make sure you hit submit, and that's the lessons for the week. Got any questions, let me know. Email me as you need it. Take care.